A fabulous 1970 Plymouth Duster. 340 car. This ultra rare car is finished in triple black from the factory. That is TX9 color code. With the white 340 callouts. Riding on the correct rally wheels with steel belted raised white leather tires. The body and the paint on the car are absolutely beautiful. All the glass in the car appears to be original glass and in excellent condition. Vinyl top is in very nice shape. No apologies there. Beautiful bucket seat interior. Very fresh looking carpeting. Beautiful dash in the car. Factory console. Right there. Automatic on the floor. This is a true 340 car from the factory. Torque Flight automatic. Got the cool rear deck lid spoiler there. This car comes with the original build sheet with it. Documents everything that this car was when it was born. It is also matching numbers 340 and matching numbers automatic transmission as well. Did not check the differential, but it probably is matching numbers too. All right, John, can we start this Mopar up? That's the rumble we love right there. Mopar 340. It is a power disc brake car and power steering. Got your full gauges from the factory there. 150 mile-an-hour speedometer. And how about factory air conditioning? Still blows cold too. Original AM radio, thumb wheel. How cool is that? This is one of the most original and nicest Dusters we've ever had. It runs great. Let's go see what all that rumble's about under the hood, shall we? Check that out. There it is right there. Looking fresh like the day it was born. This is the original engine. Your air conditioning unit right there. Still has the stock exhaust manifolds, high performance exhaust manifolds on it. Power disc brake booster there. And power steering right down there. Really detailed nicely. We are proud to present this beautiful 340 Duster here at Fleming's Ultimate Garage. Our phone number is 301-816-1000.